Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. If you are an old subscriber, thanks for staying back. So let's get started.
So let me show you the perfect way to measure your flour in. Spoon. I don't know if you can see it well, but this is 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. Then we also need some salt. You know the interesting part about this is that you can keep it for like 6 weeks because there is no milk. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of salt too. This recipe is a banger. So you just have to cover it and shake it together. Let's say your customer wants milky puff puff or a puff puff that has pepper. So it's advisable that anytime they want to make it, once they are ready to make it, they can add milk or they can put their pepper or onion. They can be creative with it, but for it to last long, you don't need to put milk while making it. And if you are not using it for commercial purpose, let's say at home, sometimes it might be stressful to start mixing puff puff, but most of the time I have something like this at home. So anytime I'm craving puff puff or I have visitor, emergency visitor, I'll just take it out, mix it in water and prove it. So after that, you just mix it, shake it together. Yes, That's what I'm trying to do. Try and shake it well till till they mix together. Just shake it well, shake it. I'll also be showing us the packaging. If you want to start selling, I'll show you the packaging, how you can package your product and take it to supermarket, take it to church, tell your friends about it. Before you know it, people will start calling you, please. So when you are coming to church, just bring for me, or your place of work, most especially when it's tasty. So as I said, if they want milky puff puff, they should add milk whenever they are making it. So because of the yeast, you will not want to keep it open. So I have my puff puff mix here, as you can see. So it's so easy. Anytime you want to make your puff puff, just label it so that you will know this is the puff puff mix. So let me show you how to package it. So for the packaging, you can get something like this. This should take 500 gram. Just put it inside. You need your scale and measure it, put some inside and seal it and start selling to your customer. Then you design your own labeling. Let me show you how it looks. So I'll be using scale because it's a business. You need scale so that you will get something that is perfect measurement for your business. So this one is 5 gram like this. So if you're making it 500 gram, 300 gram, based on your preference or your location, then that is up to you. Just make sure you measure it. So this is it after packing it. As you can see, I have 505 gram. That's 500 gram. 500 grams. So that is okay. All you have to do is just put your label in front, then start selling to friends and family. It's so presentable, and before you know it, money will start entering your hand. So let's make puff puff using our puff puff mix. Can you see this is the mix? So I want to show you now. Just take, depends on how much you want it to be, but I'll be using 4 cups for today because I have other to make. So that's why. Can you see I'm using my puff puff mix? So just take the same way you did your measurement, like take 4 cups out of it. So I'll be using warm water to mix it. I really don't know the measurement of the water, but this is warm water. So you can actually use your hand to mix it, your clean hand, or you use your spatula. I think I prefer to go with my hand. So just little at a time, please, at a time. So I need to add more. I'll still add more to this. You don't want it to be too thick and too watery. Just be moderate. I'll still add a little more to it. Just little. So this is it. This is the perfect consistency. It's not too thick and it's not too runny. This is just perfect for me. I even forgot to say that if you want milky puff puff, before you put the water, you can put your milk, or if you want spicy puff puff, before you put the water or after putting the water, you can add your pepper. So we have to, I'll keep this for 45 minutes to 1 hour because I still have some time to use. So I'll keep it, then when I'm ready I'll show you the frying process.
So this is what we have after 45 minutes. Just mix everything together. And if you're considering starting this or using it for business, please do your perfect costing well. check your environment, check what works better for you, then do your branding, take it to supermarket, and you start making money. And you can actually make a video and keep it, so in case you have a first time person buying that does not know how to fry popcorn, you can send a video to them to see how they can make their own at home. Or if not, just send them to my channel, let them come and watch how this was made. So I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you are considering going into business with it, it's perfect and fine by me. Alright guys, so I'll be showing you the packaging now, how I package for my customer.
So I'm done packing them. Can you see the final look? It's so presentable for any event. This particular part got finished, so thank God this one is at home, so I have to use this one. This one is not also bad.
Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for you to see more interesting videos like this. See you guys. Bye.